sailing into our first anchorage of Nassau. Just like our sail, the rockiness didn't stop here.
Got some avocado toast with kale and tomato for this nice rocky little anchorage we have here. But at least it's the Bahamas. Is that your piggy dance? You're not allowed inside. Nope. Otherwise you go peek around the couch. We did it. Sandals, you got nothing on us. Sasha found a dead fish in her shoe. It's alive! It's alive! How'd it fly all the way up there?
Those 10-footers we had. We needed to get some work done that involved Wi-Fi, as well as getting in touch with family back home. So we decided to stop at the closest Starbucks and enjoy a nice coffee. We had the sailor bum look down with the sandy feet and all the naughty hair. I wondered what people thought of us when we walked in.
Good job,
As
Sasha.
I say, don't yield for pedestrians.
Proud of you. Well, sailing Farside Mobile. Waiting for our ride, Mike. Where'd he go? He's over. The beautiful Bahamas. And we're off again. Where are we headed, Sasha?
West side of Nassau.
To do what?
To go find a calmer anchorage, and then we are ready to go to, what was it called again? Pause. Easy shot to Highborn Cay.
Highborn Cay!
Highborn Cay, and then cross into the Exuma Sound, and then down the Exuma as we go. Woo!
For the night. A couple of other sailboats. A couple cats. Are you guys ready to go to the beach? Ready to go to the beach? Ready to go to the beach? Yeah, the beach. Beach. Much calmer over here. What were we thinking last night? Hooked and ready for the evening.
Cheers.
Good job, Sasha.
Thanks. You too.
Who's ready for happy hour? Look, are you ready for happy hour? Ray, are you ready for happy hour? Yeah. Oh, yeah? Yeah, you're ready for happy hour? I know someone who's ready for happy hour. His name starts with a J and ends with a Papa. Fishy! Look! Where's a fishy? Look, where's a fishy? Where's a fishy?
It looks beautiful, but I'm making dinner. All these two picking a movie.
I made dinner last night.
It was so that's why it's my turn again. Making some fries with cabbage and onion.
I made
and
dinner in an anchorage that it was almost impossible. See? So I win.
Yeah, we had a rough night last night. Rocking and a rolling big time. The stitching had started to come out of the sun cover on our Genoa sail, and luckily we had a backup, so we had to take this one down and get it all folded up and get it ready to put a new one up.
Alright, so right now we are stuck in Nassau for the time being. Have some things to figure out, but as you can see, the slide on the mainsail, which it goes up on, the track broke the other day, so we were lucky enough to have some nice neighbors that had some extra sliders and a sewing kit, which we probably need to invest in next time we go into town. So today we're going to be working on that. We have to put up our other head sail. It's a smaller sail, so don't have as much sail out while we're going. And putting a new exhaust hose in as well. Papa's working on attaching something to the dinghy. But yeah. So we have our wax coated thread, our big ass needle, and I re-sewed the new slider onto the piece of nylon, whatever this is. Okay, so now we're going to... Alright, so as you can see here, I've used my giant needle and my wax coated thread to sew on the slider, sew the slider back on to the sail. So now I'm gonna have to move on to the next one. And just like that, we're sewed back on. Next thing we need to do, take off the mainsail, because these ones go all the way to the tippy top. So we gotta put them back in the track. But these ones are a little bit more reinforced than the other ones, so they shouldn't break on us again. Hello. So today we are exchanging the exhaust. The exhaust hose, we had some leaking at the exit. So we decided to replace the whole hose. We did have some extra, or we bought some when we were still in Key West, and we decided to bring it with us. There's a little bit more water leakage than we were hoping, so we took today to get that fixed. So here you can see that's where the exhaust is. That's part of the hose. We're gonna have to add an extension. It comes in here through our bunk, so we had to take it all apart. The bed's over there. Beer for trading. More beer, more beer. Anyways, it runs through here and it goes over here where you can see Natalie here. Hello everybody. So thank you. Alright, so as you can see here, It came through the rudder shaft up into our back locker. We have all the extra here on the end here. Rudder shaft compartment. Let me clean this piece off here. And then this is where the new exhaust hose fits on like that. How pretty is she? Alright, so we pushed about 15 foot of marine exhaust hose through, replaced the old one. It was deteriorating a lot. We already had to cut off about 3 feet. And then that end piece was already going bad again, so we needed to replace it. And we thought, why not here? Because it's calm anchorage, and we don't want it to blow on our next trip, which will be about 10 hours. So, as you can see here, it's all clamped on, everything's sealed. Just need to close up some holes, make everything, zip tie some things together, and then we're all done. Hey, what's happening?
Hi, I'm out here in the rudder shaft over here, tightening up the stuffing here for the stuffing box, putting on an industrial clamp, make sure there's no leaking. It's a bit cramped in here.
Good morning, everybody. In this beautiful anchorage, it is time to clean the deck, which is something we've been wanting to do for a couple days, but we had to obviously replace our exhaust pipe and exhaust hose and replace some things. So today we are rinsing off the deck with our nice canvas bags. Easy to store, easy to get water. Oh, sorry, Luca. We got Luca to help us today. But yeah, so gonna be doing this, one of our projects. What? Hi. What boat are you guys from?
Oyster. Sailing vessel Oyster.
That's cool. A singular. Oh my god. Right there, look, he's right there, he's looking. Oh my gosh. It's like a real eyeball. It's like a real eyeball.
So I'm planning our trip down to Exumas. We've got some bad weather coming in the next few days, so it seems like we are going to hold anchor here. Might as well plan ahead. So figuring out distances, things to do, and hopefully we'll get going soon.